Good day everyone, it's Rosie Michael. Today I would like to share with you on the 5 mistakes people make when they letter alphabets, lowercase alphabets. So the first one is alphabet A. Alphabet A consists of an entrance, an oval, and an underturn. So at the oval, the line should meet, the oval must meet and should not be too long. Okay, so the second alphabet is an H. As for an H, the compound curve must start slightly further from the ascending stem loop. Then it will look prettier. So as for the third alphabet, which is an M is consists of an entrance, an overturn, and also a compound curve. It has 3 strokes, basic strokes, not 2. People always get confused while lettering the alphabet N and M. The fourth alphabet is an R. The second stroke in an R should look like a waterfall. And for the fifth alphabet is an X. There is an exception to the rule for X. The key strokes in calligraphy is that every downstroke must be thick and every upstroke must be thin. However, in an X, it goes the other way around, where downstroke thin, which makes a nice X. So that's about it. Thank you for watching.